Today we're playing with Eric.
My boy, my boy.
Silma boy, Silma boy, Silma boy.
Baka lalabas kami ni Mama Faye sa Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Pero maaga.
Umaga, dahil susunduin mo ko, dapat mga 1 o'clock nakaalis ka na dito. Pagdating mo doon, tawagan mo si Mami.
Mabuti, tipid ako. Nakatipid ako. Masahe.
Hindi mo naman kailangan mag-commute, anak.
Kung kakailangan, no? Kukumit. Pero pwede pa naman din mag-commute kung kakailangan talaga.
Let's go, Kuya. Let's go, Kuya. Let's go.
Kunyari, nagmamadali ka. Kunyari, may aalis ka ni Mama ko.
Yun na pwede.
Yun, pwede. Pero kung hindi ka naman nagmamadali.
Okay, come and join me, Kuya. Join me.
Sayang lang.
Parang nagbabayad ka ng ano. Ano mo ba yung toll? Ano ba yung toll?
Bayan mo dun sa pagkaan mo dito highway.
Kuya!
Parang ano lang din, nagtatanong yung grab driver kung saan kung magka-toll pa.
Kuya, join me now. I'm here. I'm
Ay
in the
lang,
game now.
wait lang.
No.
Parang ano lang din, ang binabayad kasi doon, parang nagto-toll ka lang, no, pag gano'n. Cinema boy, cinema boy.
Silma boy,
Cinema boy. That's scary. Jungle Hunter.
Silma boy,
Let's go, boy. Cinema boy. That's scary. Jungle Hunter. Just boy.
Silma boy.
I'm so small. You know, you're not small than me.
Okay, may kita sa
Mali,
cinema roll.
mali.
Baka mabit ko pa sa cinema roll.
Walang big Silma roll.
Look at the head. Get back here. Get back. Get back here, Kuya. Get back here. I want to stay on your head. Get back here, Kuya. I want to stay in this baldy head.
What?
Kuya. Get back here.
Cinema boy!
Yeah, get stand in this baldy head.
Anong ginagawa ko?
Yeah, get stand in your baldy head.
Magkasundo na pala si David doon, no? Kakampi na ulit. Hindi na yung magkakaaway pagkita.
Hey, I want to stay in your baldy head.
No, what? Me?
Yes, I want to stay in that baldy head.
Patay. Parang random forces.
Parang bagong taon, grabe yung usok.
Mommy, I
Ang
want to
bagong
stay
taon?
in Kuya's baldy head.
What? Am I bald?
Yeah.
Am I bald ako sa Roblox?
I want to stay in that baldy head.
Bald, ang bald.
Why?
I want to stay in that baldy head.
Pwede mo tanggalin yung buhok. Yung character doon. Pwede mo tanggalin na yung buhok if you want.
Yeah, but I hate that style.
What? You hate it? I like it. It looks better.
No, it doesn't. It looks like you're the rock.
Rock?
Yeah, you're the rock.
Who's Rock? Senator ba to?
Hindi, si The Rock.
The one I was
Akala ko
watching.
si Senator ba to? De La Rosa.
Get back! Engage touching. It's 12 players. You're innocent. We're innocent. I'm gonna hide. Where? You're not lagging. You're not lagging though.
No.
Oh, you look like you're moving slow.
Senator ba to?
Who's murder?
I don't know.
Where are you walking? You're supposed to run.
I don't know who's the murderer.
I don't know either. Hey! Stay away from me! Oi!
Did someone get killed?
Yes! Is this you? Is that you?
Oh my god, there's a sheriff.
Wow, who's the murderer? Oh.
I don't know who's the murderer.
Is it that guy with the pixel knife?
Oh, nako.
He has Ghost Park.
Hey!
That's really just my tiny one. This tiny thing. Pam pam.
Marites! Yum, yum, yum.
Vanilla
Cupcake.
bean.
Yum, yum, cupcake.
Kuya, stop, stop.
Hindi na sila kasi nakakay naman ito pang
I'm innocent. How about you?
Set food.
Okay, wait, Kuya, why are you like that also? Also, why are you like that? Why are you even like that? You don't need to do that. Kuya, you don't need to do that. Kuya, I have no space.
Murder.
Who's murdered?
I don't know.
If you die, then
If I get killed, and then
and then spectate.
what?
Spectate who's murder. Princess would be cute. Ah! This boy, the glitchy boy, is murder.
Murder.
I meant to say murderer. Lapis, you're safe.
That's right, that's like my investigation. Oo, gusto ko. Ngayon na inahasahan. Parang hindi ko.
Hi!
Who?
I'm not murder. The drain fire. I got killed.
Bring them aboard.
I'm gonna use my different outfit.
May mga nakapaskin pala na section.
Can I see? Can I see, Mama? Oh, man. Can I see?
Miss mo, gusto ko maaga sa simbahan.
No! Patay! I'm the last person to get killed. Now we get killed tuloy, that's it. Well, it counts, the match counts.
Yes.
Pero ang gusto ko, tapos agad.
Ang ganun.
Ano?
Naglaro kayo. Agad.
Yung isang match. Can I beat up si Nimorol?
No.
Why
I'm
not?
studying this baldy head.
Look at the Cinemarol, it looks so funny.
I'm studying in your baldy head. Don't you see?
Nakakapos sa inyo. May kailangan.
The Cinema Boy. I look at this happy face. Happy.
Happy, happy, happy.
I look at this happy face. Happy face, happy face, happy face.
Happy.
Eto,
Happy.
happy face.
Happy.
Yeah.
Happy.
Nakikiramay ko.
Oo, happy. Happy face.
Happy face.
Eto,
Kailangan ko na pong makausap sa Diyos.
Happy, happy na.
Nasa Makakini po bang sabihin sa akin? Nasa sa Diyos tayo. Ikaw lang. Pasensya.
Ay!
Tama ka.
Grabe naman yung pula ng pisngi nito. Miss, ano ba to? Rangalota?
Yes po.
Grabe yung pula.
Siya na Miss Juliana? Yes po.
Hayaan mo ko na makapagsimula. Makabangon.
Oh.
Victory agad? Pero it
think-
counts, no?
Yeah.
Since I think murder got killed by sheriff, right?
No. So I think the murder just left.
Pero it counts.
Yeah.
So, ilan na ba tayo? Four matches? Okay.
Okay.
Bilis 4 matches.
While I play, I eat. That's what that I'm
You
like.
play well, eat.
That I'm also like that.
Isa ka lang sa kwarto mo. Ano ba talagang nangyari? Eh, model naman. Parang hindi pa kayo nasanay sa amin dito. Hindi naman talaga ako masasanay na makita ka
Here's Pinel.
masugatan.
Kuya, I need blanket.
What? You need?
Yes,
No.
lie down properly.
Innocent.
Sana po yung pinisito mo si Dad.
Cinema boy.
Pangitin sa kanya pa.
Am I fast?
No.
Do you know what? Who?
I don't know.
Someone said who?
I don't know. Ah. Nakita mo?
No, I didn't. What's the enemies? Be careful! Ah! What?
Sa Erasia ba or sa ano?
Ah, this girl.
Ah. Is
Golden Destination.
Golden Restoration. Do you like to deserve?
September, kaso. Wait pa tayo ng budget.
what's ba G?
Budget.
Nakapaghanap ba tayo para mag-out of para sa birthday nila mag-out of town? Naghanap ba kayo kung saan tayo mag-out of town para sa birthday nila? Dapat doon tayo sa sa farm ko kaso malangaw. Sayang no. Oo nga eh.
Well, should we go back to Palawan? I like that.
Palawan?
Palawan.
Next time,
Mag-aeroplano pa tayo. Mahal.
pag nagano
Mag-Hong Kong pa tayo eh.
Oh, dang it!
next time pag nagpera ulit. Pwede. Ganda yung Palawan eh,
Ganda
no?
yung sa Astoria, no?
Old pa kaso pag mula sa city proper kasi ng Puerto Princesa, malayo lang. Kung ilang kilometro, 60 to 70.
Eh, saan nyo ba gusto? Astoria, di ba?
Hindi yung dun sa distance, di ba, ano ba yung secluded?
Isolate.
Pero yung dun sa Astoria, outside of the city yun.
Kaya nga. Eh, saan nyo ba gusto? Astoria, di ba?
Oo nga, Astoria. Ang sinasabi ko
anong
lang,
gagawin natin kung doon siya nakapwesto?
wala na, ang sinasabi ko lang,
Siguro, flight tayo ng Sunday. Pwede naman Saturday.
may,
Flight tayo ng...
You're back here, boy!
hey, come on, ba't mo ginawa yun, Ayla?
You said, yeah, I know you have to kill you last night.
Pangilan na ba to? 7?
Yeah.
Okay. Sila boy?
Tapos yung massage. Woo!
No!
Woohoo!
I don't want.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? I have to do it.
Oo ba?
Cinema boy!
Naka-wool.
But everyone in the server uses ghosts. Innocent.
Cinema boy! Cinema boy!
Hindi na tayo dadating.
Saan?
6 o'clock.
Nandito ako Hong Kong.
Siyempre Hong Kong.
Oh, guys.
gusto para sa iyo.
It's okay, guys. I can continue to speak English. What?
Excuse me.
They closed the door on me. It's 8 matches. Where are you massaging at? I'm dead. I'm dead.
You're dead. This last 2 matches na.
Also, if you die, wait for me to die.
Ay, last 2 matches na tayo.
Yes, because last two. You're innocent,
Yes.
and I hate it. Hey, stay away! Stop following me, though.
Hey!
The reach!
Ano ba ang November 10?
Araw?
Ang
Ay, teka.
I think I'm not gonna count it.
Monday.
You're not gonna count it?
I think.
Why not?
Because because of the hitbox. It doesn't look too good. It looks
It's
fine.
not, pero it's normal.
Wait,
I
can
think
I
it's
do something first?
the hitbox is normal.
It's not.
It is.
It's not. I'm gonna give some tap.
Mahalang kabayaran ng katotohanan, sins of the Father, you kundikidahan Olivier. This June 28, todo na ang paghahanda ang pagpaplano at ang pag-review.
Attorney.
Kung hindi ko lang rin mo masasagot ang wala.
It counts. It counts.
Yay, we're the same.
Ayla, the match counts. It's because of the hitbox is normal anyway.
But why in my screen is far? In my screen it's far.
The murderer screen is closed. Is closed. So it's like normal, okay?
Okay.
So please count it.
Next match. At the next match, I'm gonna count it.
Why next match? You should count it now. I only have 1 match left, okay? I only have 1 match left.
Wait, I'm gonna do something more, okay? Just a few. It's just a few minutes.
Cinema boy.
Okay, done. Hey, you're accidentally pressed emotes. Yay, we're the same. Red. We're reds. I'm always innocent.
I am murderer.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Don't kill me, less, please, please. Kill me, less.
15 plus 12.
50 pa, 12.
Oh my candy game. Hey!
I got the bro.
You got the gun?
I didn't. I was at the gun, but how did I didn't get it? I just hit.
Oh my.
Oh my
Pero if I
God.
kill you last, does it count?
Yes.
Pero if I get killed, it still counts din na.
Yes.
Don't get killed.
Murder ako eh.
But don't kill me, last, please.
What? Okay. Oh, okay.
Even though you saw me, are you still gonna kill me?
No.
Got,
Massage gun.
saan? Sa'yo?
Yeah.
Sayang battery. Akin na i-charge ko yan.
Bakit? Ba't kailangan mo i-charge?
Siyempre, gagamitin
Why do you need to
natin
charge
yan.
it?
Massage mo ako eh.
Ang sarap yung massage gun. Ang sarap. But are you kidding me? You have to charge it again?
Oo.
I thought yung leftovers okay na.
Hindi.
Why?
But just that's only for the food.
What are you kidding me? You have to do it again and again. What? No!
It's okay. You have another one. You have another.
One more match? The 10 matches is over.
20 yan ah.
10 daw, sabi niya Ila.
I changed my mind, bruh.
10.
Di ba normal is 20? 20 matches.
Yes.
Change. Nag-10 na lang. 10 na lang daw.
I changed my mind.
20.
Kasi dapat
Oo, ano yun?
maleta ni Ayla. 10 na lang Ayla.
At least 20.
No.
I changed my mind that time. Share it, huh?
Ano ba dapat? 20 ba o 10?
20.
No.
Come on. I'm sheriff.
Diba? Mami 10 na lang para mamassage pa kita. Ano?
No!
10 na lang, 10 match na lang para massage pa kita.
Wait, should we do a 1v1?
Ay!
Wait, okay. Wait,
Ay, no, wait. Don't leave, hey! Don't leave!
go to my server.
Sabi ko nga, don't leave the
I
match!
said go to the server. I said.
Ba't ka nag-leave dyan? Sabi na nga, wag na eh.
Stop it.
Ba't ka nag-leave? Hindi ka na dapat mag-leave eh.
Just join the server. Come on. Don't be like. Ooh!
Chicks?
You almost kissed me.
Ano? Kinis ko, muntik ko naman kiss si Ella sa cheek.
Don't you dare kiss me. Come try to kiss me. Come try to
Sino
kiss.
ba?
Ew! You're disgusting. This is the
One more
puppet.
match na lang ha. Mami, Ayla.
Hey, mommy.
Yes, sinabi ko na.
Eh.
Nasa iyo ko pa rin mo. Sabi ni Pino kung 5-2, ilan ka Jenner?
Nasa kanila po ang yan, isang big winner kuya. Ang kuya ko, napakali ng big four. Ay, kayo!
Siguro kung anong sasabihin ko sa'yo. Kasi kung alam ko na pala, lahat sasabihin ko sa akin. Talaga,
No!
Who
I get killed!
Who's murder?
malungkot ko mas. Pero ang bagay naman.
This one.
This
Get
guy.
killed again!
This guy.
Na? Massage na?
Yeah.
Massage?
Yeah. Ang ganda ng charger.
Tutubasan mo.
Ilang percent?
96.
Ano ito?
Ginamit ko lang ilang minuto.
Eh, sinaksa ko yung 85 eh. Kakasaksa ko lang.
86 lang.
86. Kala ko 96. Kakasaksa ko lang. Aray ko pa. Dito sa ano, ganito. Sa leg.
Baboy!
Nagupit ka ba ng ako?
Sino?
Nag-school na. Ito ba naggupit ng kuko? Sa paa.
And can I give me that phone?
Wait, okay. Just tell me when the murder's
Uy,
coming.
tapos na yan? Dahil na ba?
Dapat dan na
You
yan.
said 20 matches.
Hindi. Eh, tapos na si kuya eh.
Tapos
Bakit
matutulog na
nag-play
maaga.
pa? Dapat sabay kayo matatapos ni Kuya. Ba't nag-play ka pa?
Dapat wag na, wag din.
Enough na yan. Tapos na si Kuya mag-play. Ikaw hindi ka pa tapos. Sabay lang kayo.
Di pa kita lubos na kilala, pero alam ko, kaya mo siyang mahalin ang buong buwan.
Sana Kuya? Ay, sino kalaro mo?
Si Kuya.
Si Kuya?
Dalawa na
Tapos na si Kuya eh. Is it the same game?
Haha!
Nalo ka?
Can I leave?
Yes!
Oh, tapos na dapat.
Pag nakalampas ng 10 matches, wag ka na maglaro ng ibang games.
Tama na yan. Balik mo na yan doon.